Hi, how are you? How have you been doing? It's another word of moment that we are meeting in this classroom with I, Teacher Martin. And today we are just going to learn a few things and we'll call it a day. And today I want us to learn how to say yes, no, and answering in Kikuyu. So, to say yes, you just say eh. To say no, you just say Asha. When you are called to answer, you just say Yoe, Yoe. To say yes in another way, that's to say, yes, it is so. You just say Eneguo, 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 yes, it is so. So, that's how you say yes, no, and how you answer when you are called in Kikuyu. Have nice time and see you in the next. Bye bye and thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye.